Hello, in today's lesson we are going to be looking at windows within Windows Vista. This area here, where my mouse is moving, is called the desktop, and the desktop is where usually programs, shortcuts are held, but also you can place your files here. And at the bottom we have the taskbar. The taskbar is made of the start button or orb, a few shortcuts for programs that you might like, and your programs will appear on this part of the taskbar, and in the bottom right are system icons. Now if we are to open a window, you can see that the program appears in the taskbar at the bottom. If you hover over it, you will see that these will appear a little preview. Now each window comes with the following features. In the top right hand corner of each window you will see three buttons. The first one is the minimize button. This brings it down to the taskbar, and you can bring it back up again. There's the maximize button. If you click on that, it will maximize it, and if you click on it again, it will restore it to its original size. And finally you have the cross button, which closes the window. Now if I was to open another window, we can look at some of the other features. In Microsoft Windows, if you press the Alt key on your keyboard, you will see that you therefore get the File, Edit, View and Tools drop-down menus. Pressing Alt makes it appear and disappear. You are also able to resize windows. The most usual place is to go to the bottom right hand corner, where a double arrow will appear. If you click and drag, you can make these windows of different sizes. Making a window too small will cause for the scroll bar to appear. You get a scroll bar going from left to right, and you also can get a scroll bar going up and down. In all these windows you also get your icons. And in Windows Vista the two most important ones are Organize, which you can copy and paste. You can choose different layouts, and Views. Now Views is important in that you are able to select different ways in which your files are shown. If I was to click on Pictures, we'll go to the Sample Pictures folder. The views can be, so the icons can be made small or large. Of most interest in Views is Details. With Details you are able to organize your files by when the file was created or by the name of the file name. And you can also see how large a file is. If we are to look at Documents, and you click on Details, you can see it's Date Modified is the important one. So your most recent doc will appear at the top. At the bottom of all these windows you also have a status bar, which in Windows Vista is quite large. And that ends our look at Windows.